Hello boys and girls, this is a follow-up from the little video that we did yesterday about the resin blocks, which if you've seen that, this is day 2. So what we've done now on day 2, what you're going to see now is a time lapse of the blocks being applied to the polycarb sheet, which is quite an undertaking to make sure they all link together and look good. So basically, you might have seen yesterday, that is what we were trying to do before they were secured down. And now, this is the first time we've lifted it up. If all this falls apart, we look like an idiot. There we go, ladies and gentlemen, that's it. So the first one, barring the resin, is now complete. So I hope you enjoy the time lapse, and then we'll tune in next time for the resin pause. Ta-da! Phew, I got that one all right.